Multiple choice. Which of the equations below represents a line that is parallel to this line? So one of the things we know is that two lines are parallel if they have the same slope pattern. So we're trying to find a line that has the same rise-run ratio, right, slope ratio, as this line. Well, the question is, well, what's the slope ratio of that line? I'm going to go ahead and choose to rewrite that in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to go ahead and, take away 5x from both sides. So this becomes negative 3y is equal to negative 5x plus 11. And if I divide both sides by negative 3, I get y is equal to 5 thirds x minus 11 thirds. So you can see the negative 5 divided by negative 3 gives me 5 thirds. So I'm looking for a slope of up 5 and to the right 3 units. So which one of these has that? So on this A, if I take away 5 from both sides, this would become negative 3. I think this is my answer. Negative 3y equals negative 5x minus 4. So y is 5 thirds, right? And it's interesting that the coefficients here match the ones up above. On B, if I take away 5 from both sides, this one has a slope of negative 5 thirds. This one would have a slope of positive 3/5. And this one would have a slope of, let's see, take away 3 from x from both sides and divide by negative 5. So this would be 3/5 also. Oh yeah. So A is the only one that has a slope of 5 thirds. If I was looking for lines that were perpendicular to each other, I would have to have slope ratios that were opposite in sign and reciprocals. And we've talked about what the whole rotating the Cartesian coordinate plane, about the origin and what that does with rise and run and the signs of those. So if I was looking for perpendicular, the slope that I would be looking for would be negative 3/5, right? Down 3 over 5. So this ratio, negative 3/5, would be, if I had a line with that slope ratio, it would be perpendicular to the line that I was given up here. But the answer for this question is A. It's the only one that has a slope ratio that is equal to the slope ratio of the question given.